Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off both earbuds and taking them out of the case to prevent accidental pairing. Inspect each ear tip. Look for tears, earwax, or looseness. Once identified, grip the tip firmly where it meets the stem and pull straight off. Do not twist aggressively because that can dislodge internal parts. Make sure to keep a gentle, steady motion. If a tip resists, pause and clean the junction with a dry cloth so you don't force damage. You now select the correct replacement tip and align its inner ring with the earbud nozzle. Doing this prevents gaps that hurt sound and seal. Press evenly until you feel or hear it seat. This creates the acoustic seal you need for bass and noise isolation. Once both sides are fitted, pair or connect to your device and play a short clip at low volume. Make adjustments to seating or size until audio feels balanced. Good seal equals better clarity and comfort. You finish by cleaning visible debris and placing earbuds back in the case to charge and confirm connectivity. Once done, double-check firmware and audio settings because software can affect channel balance. If one side remains quiet, make sure contacts are clean and the tip is fully seated. Sometimes debris blocks the mesh. Make sure to try a different tip size too. If sound improves, the seal was the issue. If you still have trouble, reboot the earbuds and retry. Then contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.